Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. You are seeing beautiful pair of conch, beautiful pair. Bhairava Bhairavi conch, Bhairava and Bhairavi conch. Bhairava conch is black color, unique pattern. Bhairavi conch is white color and unique pattern. Beautiful conch, extremely powerful pair. Bhairava Bhairavi conch. Now I am showing the Bhairava conch. How beautiful it is. Bhairava conch, how beautiful, how unique pattern it is. Very, very unique pattern. Bhairava conch. Wonderful opening, pure black color, extremely unique pattern, Bhairava conch. And when I take off a Bhairavi conch, it's a white color. White color, it is also very unique collection. Both the pair will make magic for you. Bhairava and Bhairavi conch will give full protection to you and makes magics for you. Such a wonderful, excellent piece of collection, Bhairava and Bhairavi conch. Keep in good job like this. It is very, very unique collection. Very, very unique collection. Never again like this. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya.